Hello, I am Josefa, and in this video, we are going to discuss how we can host a website using AWS S3 bucket and then attach CloudFront with it. So now we are in the AWS console. So what we have to do is we have to click on search bar and type S3 and click on S3 bucket. It will show all the S3 bucket that are already created. So now we have to click on create bucket and type in the name of the bucket. I will write YouTube demo. And then this is the region. You can select the region and try to select the region which is nearest to your location. So I will keep it as it is. And then there is an ACL option, keep it as disabled. And then there is an option of public access. We have to uncheck it because we are hosting a website. So we need all the files to be public. And then there's an option of bucket versioning. So I will keep it as disabled. And then there's an option to add tags. So if you want to add tags, you can add it. It will help you in terms of later when you go into the billing section. And then there's an option of default encryption. I will keep it as disabled as well. I will click on create bucket. It is telling me that this bucket name already exists. So I will add YouTube demo front end. So yeah, I will click on create bucket and the bucket is now created. I will click on the bucket. What I have to do is I have to do two things. First, I have to go to properties and go to the bottom and click on static website hosting, add it, and I have to enable it and add the index file. It is index.html and the error uh, page is also index.html. So in case of error, the website also redirects to index.html. And then next I have to add bucket policy. So I will copy paste it and change the ARN according to the bucket name. I will give this bucket policy in the description of the video so you can use this as well, and then change the ARN according to the bucket name. Then I have to click on save changes. Now one thing is left. I have to add all the files. So now I will go to the all the files that I have to upload and copy paste that into the S3 bucket. So I have selected all the files that I want to upload. So after dragging them, I will click on upload button. It will take some time to upload it. It will take like 5-6 minutes. So basically this is an Angular project. Then I go into my project and run the command npm run build with dash dash production flag. You can if you have a React project, you can do the same. Go into your project, run the build command, and when all the builds file are generated in the dist folder or in the build folder, you can just copy paste those files into S3 bucket. And if you have like simple HTML website, you can just paste those file as well. So I will pause the video here, and once all these files are uploaded, then I will resume the video. So now all the files are uploaded. As you can see, it is showing me that all the files are uploaded. I will click on close button and I can see all the files are here. So what I have to do is I have to go to properties and go to the bottom and click on this link, and hopefully my website will be up and running. So I go to this link that S3 has provided me, and you can see that the website is working. So now our website is hosted using S3 bucket, but we need to attach CloudFront with it. So what we will do is we will type CloudFront in the search bar and click on this. CloudFront is basically a content delivery network CDN that has over 169 different edge location to make the content delivery fast and more resilient. So when you go to the CloudFront, click on create distribution, and go to your website and select that URL and type in here the URL of your website, and then keep it as it is. Enable origin shield, keep it as no. The default setting are pretty much very good. So it is compressing the objects automatically, so I will keep it as yes. The protocol that is allowed is HTTP and HTTPS, so I will keep it. If you want your viewers to only view the HTTPS link, then you can choose this. What it will does is it will automatically redirect the HTTP traffic to HTTPS, so this is also good. I can select this as well, or I can select this. It is up to you. What are the methods that are allowed? Get, head, or get post, put. You can select that according to your needs. Then what is the cache policy and origin request policy? Cache optimize. It is very good, so I will keep it as it is. And then there's some other things. So, and then there's an option of what are the edge locations that you need to use. So I will select use all edge locations. Otherwise you can specify like use only North America and Europe, use uh, America, Europe, Asia. You can do this as well, or you can go with all edge location that is selected by default. And then you can also specify an alternate domain name to attach a domain with this. So you can also specify an SSL certificate and stuff like that. So I'm good with it. So I will click on create distribution. So when you click on create distribution, it will deploy everything, and it will take some time, like 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then it is deployed. So this is the basically the link of CloudFront. So I will pause the video again, and once it is deployed, I will resume it and I will show you. So now it is deployed. So what I have to do is I have to copy this link, and in the next tab I have to paste it. So now you can see all the website is loading on this CloudFront URL. So if I reload it, you can see like it is reloaded in a split of second. So, and if I go to the S3 website and reload it, it takes like 1 or 2 seconds to reload the whole website. So if you compare the performance of CloudFront with S3, so it is much better. So basically, this is how you can attach CloudFront. If you need to edit it, you can do that as well. You can edit the details, you can edit the caching details and stuff as well. So this is how basically you do it. If you want to attach the domain to it, then you can use route 53 service to attach the domain. So I will not cover this in detail. I have another video on that as well that I will attach in the description, and I will attach in this video as well. So thank you so much guys for watching the video.